Hello everybody! The doves are on the back fence. Pretty doves. I like our little doves. Carney is investigating. She says, who's been in my bush? Who's been over here? Somebody's been here, I smell them. Could be rats. I think there are still a couple of rats running around. Yeah, and the noise in the background is they're chopping down. Well, they might be chopping down, or they're trimming the gum tree. I'm hoping that they're just trimming it down. It's only on the western side that they're actually trimming. It will chop the branches down. I think, looking at that, they're chopping it down. It's a real shame. It's the tallest tree around. There's nothing else that old around here. So that's one of the original trees from this left. Such a shame. But they're building, well, they're trying to build 4 units there over in that block, which are 2-story units, 4 2-story units. Hey, sweetie. Brother's going to toilet underneath the bushes, underneath the tree. Apple's doing well. Happy in its environment. That thing's a little bit, that bush is struggling a little bit. The lack of water. Mandarin is actually got lots of flowers all over it. Not expecting anything, but it's got flowers, so it's happy. I've put some water on around it. As you can see, the grass is a bit green there. And the poor apricot needs a bit more water. I have been watering it because it is a new tree. As you can see, it's green around the bottom of it. But it might need a bit more water. It doesn't seem to like the dry. The peaches don't seem to mind the dryness too much. And the little peaches are getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Wolfie's inspecting the boundary. And Takani is sniffing. What's she sniffing at? I do not know what she's sniffing at. She's a happy little girl though. Look at that face. I'm so happy. Sniffing the grass. A happy little girl. Big smile on her face. Aren't ya? Happy little girl. She is. Just flop. Who's a big boy? I spy a big boy over there. Creeping behind the pole. So the only thing that's keeping the grass somewhat green is the dew in the mornings. And me running the laundry pipe. Hey, sweetie. See, doggies just enjoying themselves. They just love each other's company. Playtime. Playtime. Morning, everybody. This is the next day after our workmen came over yesterday, and we are missing our tree. We've got an empty spot now. Oh, that is so sad. That big tree is no more. All we've got is sky. So the birds that were using that tree were the currawongs, the magpies, and the rosellas. So they've lost all that perching spot. They weren't living there, they were just perching on that big tree. We do have another tree over there, but it's not nearly as big. It's probably about half the size of the one that they chopped down. That's really sad. Don't like them chopping down big old trees. I mean, you look around and there's nothing around that was that size, except for the tree back there. That's the only one really that is that size, that gum tree between my two trees. That's all that there is. Oh dear, big yawn. And the noise in the background is they brought in an excavator this morning. So they're going full ahead, assuming that all the planning goes through, I guess. But I guess that the other thing is that by building on the block, they're going to have to do all this work anyway, even if they just put in a house. So I'd say we are going to have a lot of disturbance for the next 6 months. I've got trucks running up and down the road and noisy days. So you guys are going to have to put up with noisy days, noisy videos when we're doing videos at home. Well, we'll leave you to it, everybody. Have a wonderful day. Have a play, like these guys. Oh, I love playing. Yeah, love playing. That's why he likes his sister, because she plays. Gotcha. Well, we'll leave you to it. Have a good day. Any developments, I'll let you know. Oh, there's a lot of dust coming over from over there. Luckily enough, the wind is blowing the right direction. It's blowing south. We'll see you later, everyone.